Hello and welcome. Surya Bhedi Pranayama is the practice of piercing the sun, where the practitioner consciously activates the Pingala Nadi, the solar channel, through the right nostril dominance. This technique is designed to stoke the internal fire, Jatharagni, stimulating the sympathetic nervous system and heating the physical body from the core outward. With that said, I'll see you on the mat with the technique. In this segment, we'll explore the technique of Surya Bhedi Pranayama. Technique is quite simple. Involves inhaling through the right nostril, holding, and then exhaling through the left nostril. We inhale for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 4. So, we'll use the palm of our right hand again. As always, we'll place the index finger and the tall finger between the eyebrows. We'll use the ring finger and the thumb to close off one nostril at a time. So while we are inhaling through the right nostril, we close off the left, and when we're exhaling, we close off the right nostril. So with that said, let's go ahead and make ourselves comfortable. Sit up on a nice blanket or a couch cushion. Make sure your spine is upright, your shoulders are relaxed, and bring the fingers in place. With both nostrils open, let's take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. One more deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Close off the left nostril and inhale through the right. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the right. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Hold. Exhale. Complete the round by exhaling through the left nostril. Return back to normal breathing with both nostrils. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. And gradually you may open your eyes. Feel the inner sun rise within the solar plexus. Surya Bhedi Pranayama leaves you with a sharpened intellect and a body ready for the day's labor. Take a moment to like this video. Leave a comment about how you felt about this practice, how it helped you in your day today. And also, most importantly, subscribe to my channel. This way, I can bring such informative content regularly to you. Thank you so much and namaste.